times, especially the Mughal times, dum chicken used to be made for the emperor. In fact, books say that dum chicken was, the Mughal emperor Aurangzeb, his favorite dish. So that's what I'm presenting to you, dum chicken. Really simple, really easy, and it's actually soul food. It doesn't take too long to make. And the list of ingredients is actually very small. Before we go ahead, if you've not yet liked and subscribed to the channel, please do that. Follow us on Instagram, share your recipes with us, tag us, and now come, let's see what the ingredient list is like. So if we talk about the ingredients of dum chicken, of course, chicken is the most obvious ingredient. We've taken 1.5 kgs of curry cut chicken. We've taken the chicken with the skin off. We come to the dry masalas. I've taken 1 star anise, about 6 to 7 pieces of clove, 1 bay leaf, about 3 to 4 inches of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of shahi jeera, and 2 black cardamoms. When we come to the powdered masalas, I have taken 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1.5 teaspoon of Kashmiri lal mirch or degi mirch powder, and I have taken 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we've taken about 2 to 3 green chilies, which we have pureed and made into a chutney sorts. We've taken ginger garlic paste. Then we've taken cashews. This is about 1 teaspoon of cashews. This is chironji. This is 1 teaspoon of chironji. Please Google what is the English word of chironji. You can comment that, even I'll come to know what it is. This is 1 lemon that we've taken. We've taken about 1.5 cups of fresh curd. This is 2 onions that we've cut and fried. This is a handful bunch of mint leaves and coriander leaves, which are finely cut. And we've taken 1 katori of oil. What I'm using is rice bran oil. This is the same oil in which I've fried my onions. So coming to the first step, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a paste of my cashews and my chironji. So I've added my cashew nuts and my chironji in the grinder. I'll add very little of water to it, just enough for us to make a paste. And now we'll grind it. I'll show it to you once I've ground it now. So this is the kind of consistency, the paste that we make of the cashew nuts or the kaju and the chironji. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we just add this entire thing to our chicken. Now to this we will add our ginger garlic paste. To this we add our green chili paste. We will add all the powdered masalas. Next, what we add is our whole spices and dry masalas. And we add our onions. Just dump everything into it. This we add the chopped coriander and the mint leaves. Just shift everything over here. To this we add the curd. It's just one of those dishes that you can make at home. So we're marinating everything, and when you cook it, you'll realize it's so easy. You can just before going to office, you can marinate it and come back and cook it in like half an hour after that. To this we're going to add the oil. Finally to this we add lemon juice. I don't add any water. If you want that your final gravy, your chicken has some amount of gravy in it, you can adjust the water accordingly. And now it's time to dirty your hands. Now just dig in, and we're gonna mix everything really well. Okay, just mix everything, massage all the pieces of chicken, mix it well for about 3 to 4 minutes, so that all the masalas, all your dry spices, everything gets really mixed well. Okay, I don't think I need to tell you that you have to wash your hands well before doing this. If you want, you can wear gloves. So we've mixed all the masalas, the entire marinade. Now we're gonna just cover it with a lid, and we're gonna let this marinate for the next 3 to 4 hours, and then we're gonna cook. Now this recipe has actually been requested by a very dear friend of mine who lives in Calcutta. I hope you're watching the video, and I'm doing this specially for you. Yeah. So it's been 4 hours that our chicken has been marinating. We'll mix it all once again. Now what we have to do is, we will cover this. We will seal the cover with atta. I'll show you how we're going to do it. And then we're going to cook it. So we just put some dough or atta all around your lid, and we're going to put it on top. And we just press this down. Okay. Just press all the dough. ये is going to get sealed. अच्छे से seal कर दो इसको. And then what you do is, okay, so this is all sealed nicely. We take a small piece of atta and this small छोटू सा छेद over here, and cover that also. Now we switch the gas on, and we're going to cook it on a medium flame for 20 minutes and on a low flame for another 20 minutes. So now we're going to meet after 40 minutes. So it's been nice 40 minutes, and we are opening it now. Fantastic, it is smelling really great. That's it. Now we will just mix everything once, and we will serve it. The meat is just falling off. Okay, we'll just serve it, and I'll show you how it looks once we serve. So I've served the chicken. It is just looking amazing. I'm going to be having it with rice. You can have it with roti, lacha paratha, naan, bread, however you want to have it. It just smells amazing. I cannot wait to dig into it. You try this out. Let me know how it went. Comment. Follow us on Instagram. Share the photographs with us. Don't forget to tag us. Of course, you have to like and subscribe my channel. You have to share the channel. Come on guys, we really would love the support. See you soon with a new recipe.